everyone, Carmen Singleton here. Welcome to the space. I wanted to kick off this Mother's Day season by bringing you guys some of my fellow VIPKID mom friends, VIPKID moms. And I want to bring this to you guys because you may have heard about VIPKID before and you might be on the fence about it, or you might still have some questions, or you might not know a real life person that does VIPKID. So what I wanted to do was bring you that real life moms that have VIPKID as their side hustle, and they want to show you that they love it and that it's amazing. So do me a favor, if you've heard from one of your friends about VIPKID, or if you know one of these moms in this video, make sure you use their referral code, make sure you use their link, make sure you sign up under them. That was good. I'm sure they'll love to answer any questions you have and guide you along the process. So keep on watching, and happy Mother's Day.
Hi, my name is Erin, and I've only been with VIPKID for 2 months, but it has already helped our family because we're able to go on vacation with my very first paycheck. My 3-year-old wants to help me say a knock-knock joke. Ready?
Yes.
Knock-knock.
Today.
Cows go.
Let's go who?
No, cows go. Moo.
Hey mamas, my name is Teacher Jennifer and I've been with VIPKID for 65 days. VIPKID has been such a blessing to our family. I get to work while my almost 2-year-old son and 9-month-old daughter sleep down the hall, and it brings in some great supplemental income. My trunk is filled with a double stroller, sand toys, a park blanket, a parachute, and of course, here in California, reusable shopping bags. The first thing I do on a Saturday morning is roll over and turn off my VIPKID app alarm.
Hi, my name is Teacher Chantelle, and I have been with VIPKID for 1 year, and I will start my 3rd contract on May 1st. My favorite VIPKID memory is when I was teaching prepositions to a student and we were working on to and from, and the student had drawn a heart on the screen and said, "This is from me to you." VIPKID has helped me as a mom to be able to be there for things like games and events at school and things like that. It just allowed me to be present. Thank you.
Ni hao.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Lorenza and I have been with VIPKID since December of 2016. VIPKID has done so much for me and my family. I started with VIPKID when LJ was just 3 months old, and it allowed me to stay home with him. I now have a 2-month-old as well, and I'm just so thankful to be able to support my family while still doing what I love. I have a master's degree in elementary education and curriculum. A book that we could read every day is Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. That's our favorite. Skip, scat, scoodle-doo. Flip.
Slap me.
Everybody's running to the coconut tree.
My name is Teacher Keisha. I have been with the company since December of 2018, and I'm in love. With VIPKID, I'm able to stay at home and be a stay-at-home mom and still have a career of my own. I get the best of both worlds. I get to love on my babies, love on my students, and make some additional income for our family. It has been a blessing. I have an emotional attachment to my Keurig. If my Keurig breaks, it's a really bad day. I need my coffee. It is the one thing in the house that is mine. Do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day.
To all my fellow Mama Bears a very happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.